Hello, this is Will from Will to Trade. I wanted to make another quick video on Facebook. That's right, Facebook, facebook.com, everyone's favorite website, everyone's favorite stock. This stock is really doing some amazing things. But first of all, did want to give the quick disclosure. Will to Trade is not a registered investment advisor, broker, dealer, or member of any association. And trading does have its own inherent risk. So with that disclosure being said, I wanted just to go over a little bit of information about Facebook, just kind of let everyone know what the numbers are with Facebook lately, because Facebook is really creeping up to some key areas of resistance. So if you take a look at the chart that we have here, this is a 1-year chart day by day. You see the high for the year and really lifetime is 117 and 59 cents, almost 118. We have this first line here of resistance at 115, and the second one I put at 118. If we zoom in a little bit here, we can see that on this day and on this day, it's just right about that 115 mark. We also look at this little middle day here, and we see that the meat of the move, again, is right at about 115. This was after earnings was released, and when they really beat the earnings big time. The estimate was 50 cents. The actual was 79 cents. As you can see here in the little pop-up down there. That's pretty huge. That's a pretty huge earnings beat. And then, boom, they shot up the next 3 or 4 days in a row. Fell back down, but then steadily since, February 9th, creeping up almost every day. Up, 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 up. A little bit of a pullback, and up, 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 up. We do not have any shares of Facebook right now. We are not saying that you should buy or should sell Facebook, but we wanted to point out these areas. If Facebook does go above 115, and it is pretty close, things could happen. If it goes above 115, it could pop up into this region where it really had only been for 1 day. That region is between 115 and 118. If it goes above 118, then it's in blue skies. Then it's a whole new category where it could pop up to 120, 125. Who knows? I wanted just to give a few numbers on Facebook, letting you know that the float is 2.2 billion shares. That's a huge float. It's just a beast of a stock, a beast of a company. Because the float is so huge, this stock does move slowly. The market cap is $321 billion. It's unbelievable. It's a little more than half the market cap of Apple, bigger than Disney and Coca-Cola, etc. It's just amazing. The volume of shares traded on Thursday, a couple days ago, was 17 million, so it's decent volume, and the RSI has popped up to 64. Again, we don't hold any positions on Facebook. We're not advising that you should buy or should sell it, but we wanted you to be aware of these numbers. We wanted you to be aware of 115 and 118. If you are interested in Facebook, you could put these numbers on your alerts. If it goes above 115, things could happen. If it goes above 118, things could really happen. Again, let's take a look here real quick at the 3-year on a weekly, and look at this. Facebook. For anyone that bought Facebook 3 years ago, you're doing great. If you've held it, look at this. Besides for one really big pullback, it has just really gone up tremendously. And as you can see here, 117.59 has only happened once. It's only been above 115 3 days in its whole history. It's never been above 118. So these are really, really important numbers. If you like what you've seen here and you're interested in joining our free chat room, we do meet every day, Monday through Friday. Go ahead and email thewilltotrade@gmail.com. If you like this video, go ahead and hit your like button, subscribe. You'll get alerts about all kinds of videos that will be coming out as soon as they arrive on YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.